Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cute accessories without spending a lot of money. To make this necklace, we're going to need seed beads in 3 colors: white, green, and red. First, we're going to put 10 white beads on the thread. Now we add 1 green bead and 2 red ones. Then we pass the thread through the green bead and pull it so that it forms a cherry. Now we repeat the same steps: 10 white beads, 1 green, and 2 red. Pass the thread through the green bead and pull. Keep repeating these steps over and over until the necklace is long enough. Now we'll need a clasp. Pass it through the thread and make 3 or 4 knots. Cut off the excess, and do the same with a jump ring on the other side of the necklace. And that's it. Now we can wear it. To make these rings, we'll need bead-shaped stones. This type is called scales. And we'll also need wire. Cut 20 centimeters of wire and pass it through the stone. Now we'll need something that matches the size of our finger, like a marker or a makeup brush, and wrap the wire around the handle like this. Now bend each end of the wire to the opposite side. It should look like this. Take it off the handle and bend the side wires like this. If you want to make more rings, just repeat the same steps. And that's it. Now we can wear them. To make this necklace, we're going to need beads, any kind, but I'll use pearls. Put the beads on a thread until it's long enough to make a choker. Now we'll need a clasp. Put it on the thread. Make 3 or 4 knots. Cut the excess. And do the same on the other side with a jump ring. It should look like this. Now we'll need a chain and attach it to the middle of the choker we made. And the last thing we'll need is a pendant for the chain. I'll use a butterfly one. And that's it. Now we can wear it. To make this bracelet, we'll need a chain. Wrap it around the middle finger to see where to join the chain. It should look like a kind of ring. Now we'll need a simple bracelet, and we're going to attach the thin chain to the bracelet like this. And now we can wear it. To make this necklace, we'll need one of these clasps and letter beads. Put the beads on the clasp. You can spell any word or name you like. It should look like this. Now we'll need a chain. Attach one end of the chain to each side of the clasp. And that's it. Now we can wear it. To make this necklace, we'll need colored beads. We'll use 4 green beads and 1 yellow bead that will represent the pollen of the flower. Now, pass the thread through the first green bead. It should look like this. Add 3 green beads. And pass the thread through the first green bead, the one next to the yellow bead. And that's how you make a flower. To make sure it doesn't fall apart, pass the thread through the 3 bottom beads. You'll see that both ends of the thread are now on the same side. The thread we just used won't be needed anymore, so take the other thread and pass it through all the green beads. It should look like this with both threads on the same side again. Now tie 3 knots with both threads. Cut the excess, and that's how you make a flower charm. Just in case anyone didn't get it, I'll explain again with different colors. Put 4 red beads and 1 yellow bead. Pass the thread through the first red bead. Add 3 red beads and pass the thread through the first red bead next to the yellow one. Now pass the thread through those 3 beads. Take the other thread and pass it through all the red beads. And once both threads are on the same side, make 3 knots and cut the excess. Now we'll need a simple chain necklace and attach the flowers to the chain. And now we can wear it. To make this necklace, we'll need heart-shaped beads. And if anyone is wondering what kind of thread I've been using in all these ideas, it's elastic thread. Pass the heart bead through the thread and add 5 other beads. I'll use pearls. Repeat the same steps over and over until it's long enough for a necklace. Now we'll need a clasp. Put it on the thread, make 3 or 4 knots, cut the excess, and do the same with a jump ring on the other side. It should look like this. And now we can wear it. To make this bracelet, we'll need a charm. I'll use a heart one. We'll also need 40 centimeters of thick thread. I'm using silk thread, and the last thing we'll need is a straw. Cut 2 centimeters of the straw and place it under the thread. Wrap the thread 4 times around the straw and pass the end of the thread through the straw. Pull tight to make a knot. It should look like this. Now add the charm and repeat the same knot. Wrap 4 times around the straw, pass the thread through, and pull tight. Now make a knot at the end of the thread, but this time wrap it only twice. Cut the excess thread and lightly melt the ends with a lighter or a match so it doesn't unravel. Do the same on the other side of the bracelet. It should look like this. Now you can wear the bracelet as it is, or you can add something else, a sliding knot. To make it, hold the bracelet like this and place the straw under the threads. Add a new 20 centimeter thread on top of the straw. Wrap the new thread 4 times around the straw, pass it through, and pull tight. Cut off the excess of the new thread and slightly melt the ends so it doesn't come undone. And that's it. Now with this sliding knot, you don't need to tie the bracelet, it's adjustable. And that's all for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. If you make any of the accessories from this video, I'd love to see them. In the video description, you'll find the link to my social media where you can share your results or ask me any questions. Bye!